Honda Coupe Dynamic Series 1971 to 1972. The Honda Coupe Dynamic Series produced between 1971 and 1972 was the final and most refined expression of the ambitious Honda 1300 lineup. This series represented a strategic rebranding and technical update designed to make the high-performance air-cooled coupe more appealing to a broader market before Honda transitioned to water-cooled engines. The engineering of the Dynamic Series was deeply rooted in the work of Soichiro Honda and his hand-picked team of engineers at the Honda Research and Development Center. An interesting fact about the Dynamic Series is that it replaced the previous Series 7 and Series 9 naming conventions with more descriptive trim levels like the Custom Luxury and GL. Another fascinating detail is the car's cockpit, which was heavily inspired by contemporary aircraft design, featuring a wraparound dashboard and a prominent overhead console in some versions. The Dynamic Series retained the legendary 1.3-liter air-cooled engine with its integrated fan system, which was famous for its ability to rev to high speeds while maintaining a unique mechanical roar. While exact production numbers from just the Dynamic Series are hard to separate from the total 1,300 production, it is estimated that only a few thousand units were built during this final year of production, making it a highly sought-after collector's item today. In terms of racing and public exposure, the Honda Coupe Dynamic Series was often seen in Japanese domestic rallies and club racing events. Its stiff chassis and independent suspension made it a popular choice for drivers who wanted a car that felt more like a precision tool than a mass-market commuter. Owner reviews from the early 1970s often highlighted the car's exceptional build quality and its exotic feel compared to competitors from Toyota or Nissan. However, owners also frequently mentioned the cabin could become quite warm due to the massive heat generated by the air-cooled engine block located just behind the firewall. Because the Dynamic Series was so mechanically complex, it required meticulous maintenance to remain reliable. The most common components to wear out prematurely were the ignition points and the specialized cooling fan belts, which were essential for preventing the engine from seizing in traffic. The vacuum lines for the quadruple carburetors on the higher trims were also prone to cracking over time, leading to rough idling and loss of power. While Honda do not issue formal modern-style recalls, they did run extensive service campaigns to upgrade the alternator and cooling fan bearings on many cars to improve long-term durability. The high cost of producing this over-engineered engine eventually led to the series being discontinued in favor of the water-cooled Honda 145. The Honda Coupe Dynamic Series remains a significant milestone in KA's history, showing how the brand used its racing heritage to push the boundaries of what a small car could achieve. It is remembered today as a bold experiment that combined sports car performance with unconventional air-cooled technology.